Hi folks, today we're working on the new porch project on the ugly side of the house, let's call it. This is how we're looking so far. Stick around and I'll show you how we got this far.
Oh, I'm not sure whether they'll lift that. It's a bit like Stonehenge, mate.
You like the boiler?
Yeah. What?
You like moving that boiler?
Stonehenge.
If we use the flat
I
side,
think what we want to do is
I know we'll dig in a bit more, so we'll make damage to
yeah. So in terms of how
What about getting a couple of boards under it? So it's easier to slide?
slide up, yeah. Then we can start leaving it off the wall, can't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go around it like this.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to move out of the way in case something breaks. Okay. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Whoa.
So with that ordeal out of the way, it was time to move on to the groundworks themselves. Now I'm going to save that for the next video or a couple of videos time. Before that we need to move on to the plumbing side of things. We've got cast iron and clay to mess around with, and also I need to dig out space for that doorstep, believe it or not, to go back into the new position, but we'll work out quite how we're going to move that in the future. But that's it, a short and sweet midweeker. We'll pick this porch series up at the weekend, and hopefully we can release these as and when we do them, and that way you'll keep up to date. But of course, if you head over to Instagram, you will be hour by hour up to date by whatever we're getting up to. So that's it, thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.